Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to uninstall Android 12 update. So if you still using the Android 12 and you want to uninstall the update, you can do it by tap on or go to the settings button on your Android phone and try to scroll down and use, or you can search the about first. So currently I'm using the 14, the Android version, the newest version. So but this is the same way. So try to search the app, this one, apps management on your phone. Tap see all and try to search the Android system setting, this one, and then tap on three dot at the top of your screen and tap uninstall updates. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.